In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Canva's Cartoonify tool and how to use it to give your photo a fun, stylized look, all within a few clicks. To begin, make sure you're working in the Canva editor with your design open. Your photo can already be on the canvas or in your uploads. Either way, we'll apply the effect from within the editor. Now, look over to the left sidebar and click Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its extra tools and integrations. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the sidebar. Apps sits alongside Elements, Uploads, and Text. With the Apps panel open, use the search field at the top and type Cartoonify. Spelling matters here, so type it as one word to bring up the correct tool. This narrows the results so you don't have to sift through other effects or features with similar names, and it gets you straight to the effect we want. Next, click on Cartoonify. That opens the Cartoonify interface, which usually appears as a panel on the side of the editor. You'll see preview thumbnails and options that give you an idea of how the effect will handle outlines, shading, and color. This is where the fun starts because different presets can shift the vibe from soft and cute to bold and comic book sharp. Now select the style you prefer. Think about your photo. Portraits often look great with smoother shading and clear outlines, while product shots or architecture can benefit from styles with higher contrast. If your original image is well lit and the subject is clear, the Cartoonify result will generally look cleaner and more defined. You can hover over options to preview and choose the one that matches your creative goal. Finally, click Cartoonify Image to apply the effect. Make sure the photo you want to transform is selected on your canvas so the tool knows exactly where to apply the look. Canva will process the image for a moment and then replace it with the cartoon version in the same spot, preserving your layout. If the result feels too intense, try a different preset in the same panel and reapply until you land on the style you like best. That's it. You clicked Apps, searched for Cartoonify, opened the tool, chose a style, and clicked Cartoonify Image to transform your photo. Have fun exploring the presets and giving your images a playful, illustrated finish.